Dyson 360 Vis Nav Robot Vacuum Review. The Dyson Vis Nav is a neat little powerhouse, and I was impressed with its cleaning proficiency. Of course, this is all down to its 65Ah suction and Hyperdymium motor that spins it up to 110,000 RPM, giving most robovacs a run for their money. As I watched it navigate around my home, it was able to suck up dust and debris from my living room and bedroom hardwood floors with ease. It has a 360 camera at the top for precise visual navigation and comes with 4 self-explanatory modes: auto, boost, quiet and quick. However, my preference was auto since it adjusts the suction according to the amount of dust. The boost mode is great for quick jobs, but will likely exhaust your battery life quickly. In any case, the extra power comes in handy for dense buildups of dirt, which was apparent when cleaning my carpet upstairs that had certainly seen better days. The Dyson Vis Nav was powerful to quickly lift out hard-to-shift, tangled hair, ingrained dirt and dust, giving my beige carpet a brighter and refreshed look. When cleaning clumps of dust under the bed, its top light automatically switched on to help it see where to go for this backbreaking task. After going back and forth from under the bed and after close inspection, the hubby and I were impressed with such a thorough, spotless clean. The Dyson 360 Vis Nav comes with a decent 65 AW of suction and a motor that spins at 110,000 RPM. This combination is quite powerful, so much so that I was shocked the first time I emptied the bin. It was full. And that was just in auto mode. There are a total of 4 modes here: auto, boost, quiet and quick. I'd recommend leaving the Vis Nav on auto as it does well on this mode. And as soon as it's finished the interior of a room, it will pop out its side duct to suck up dirt and small debris along the room edges. As mentioned, it will do this even when it senses large pieces of furniture or boxes on your floor. Basically anything that creates a decently large edge to warrant a clean. Does this side duct or tongue actually do a decent job? Yes, for the most part. I did have hair and visible bits of dust along some skirting board edges and they all got sucked up, but I also saw it miss some spots. The way I see it, there is no other robot vacuum cleaner that will come as close to the edges of rooms and furniture as this one. So that's a big tick in my books. In boost mode, it's really quite powerful, easily filling up its dust canister when running over a carpeted floor. As with any Dyson cordless vacuum cleaner, there's just not enough battery life on the boost mode to actually finish a largish room in one go. If your rooms are big, it will return to its dock to recharge after 13 to 15 minutes and return later to finish the job. I found it performs admirably well in auto mode itself. It does, after all, adjust suction dynamically anyway, and you'll see the evidence of its suction power when you empty its bin. The evidence of its cleaning prowess can also be heard when the volume of its usual hum goes up a little during this automatic adjusting. While Dyson was keen to point out that the Vis Nav is a relatively quiet robovac, it's actually on par with most other new models out there. It averages about 62 dB in auto mode and can hit 64 dB when dynamically adjusting suction power. The maximum I've recorded is 68 dB in auto mode. It hit 78 dB in boost. In comparison, I found during my Dyson Gen 5 Detect review that the handstick got as low as 60 dB in eco mode, hits 64.5 dB in auto, and is as loud as 75 dB in boost. There is a quiet mode on board the Vis Nav which, Dyson says, is quiet enough for you to watch telly while it's working, but I'll have to disagree. It recorded a low of 55 dB during my testing in quiet mode, and I still had to increase the volume on my TV a little. The Dyson 360 Vis Nav has a decent amount of grunt for a robot vacuum cleaner, and it's the first one I've met that can do a decent job of room edges. However, its D-shaped body prevents it from getting into corners and its navigation isn't as intelligent as some of the competition out there. Throw in the fact that it only vacuums, no mopping or self-emptying capabilities here, and it becomes hard to justify its high price tag.